280mm diameter. The Shaktiman models were built using all steel cabs with flat angular surfaces to aid manufacture. Most Shaktimans had a diesel engine. That was it. Seriously, that was the complete specs of a Shaktiman. Absolutely no luxury was added inside. Don't even ask about the interiors. There was an odometer, speedometer and a fuel gauge on the dash, alongside with a light to show battery's condition. Forget about the AC or even a fan. There was no fancy airbag, and this giant didn't have any power steering. Driving this truck needed muscles and power. Due to outdated constant mesh gearbox, double declutching was necessary to change the gear. The final